It began with a dream of reaching beyond our world. In 1977, humanity launched Voyager 1, a message in a bottle to the cosmos. More than a machine, it was our curiosity made real, a promise to the stars. Voyager carried the golden record, a greeting card to the universe, sharing our music, images, and hope. It began a journey that would last decades, venturing farther than any human creation. The golden record remains on board, a lonely, hopeful message in the vast silence. It is a whisper from a small blue planet, echoing into eternity. Voyager's Odyssey is a symbol of our desire to connect with the universe. And so, our story travels on, written in gold and hope. Voyager 1's grand tour began with a rare planetary alignment, slingshotting past Jupiter and Saturn. It revealed Jupiter's storms, volcanic Io, and Saturn's icy rings. Voyager captured breathtaking images, then Titan's gravity flung it out of the planetary plane. The grand tour was complete, but Voyager's journey had just begun. Now it heads for the edge of the sun's influence, a pathfinder blazing into the unknown. For decades, Voyager 1 pressed onward, the sun shrinking to a distant star behind it. The spacecraft approached the edge of the heliosphere, the sun's protective bubble. No one knew exactly where this boundary lay. Voyager measured the solar wind, watching it weaken as it neared the edge. In August 2012, the moment arrived. Solar particles vanished, cosmic rays surged. Voyager 1 had crossed into interstellar space, the first human-made object to do so. It was a monumental achievement, a new chapter in exploration. Now Voyager sampled the material between stars, feeling the galaxy's magnetic fields. It sent back data from a place no human could ever reach. Our senses, extended across billions of miles, witnessed the vast emptiness between stars. Voyager became our first true emissary to the galaxy. It was a lonely sentinel writing the first chapter of our interstellar story. The spacecraft's instruments revealed the nature of the interstellar medium. Each transmission was a window into the unknown. Voyager's crossing was a triumph for science and humanity. It proved our reach could extend beyond the sun's embrace. The probe's journey into interstellar space redefined what was possible. Voyager 1's Odyssey continues, a silent witness in the dark. Its presence out there is a symbol of our curiosity and courage. The space between stars is no longer empty. It holds our distant explorer. In interstellar space, Voyager 1's mission changed. No longer a planetary photographer, it became a scout of the void. Its faint signals, billions of times weaker than a watch battery, reached Earth only with the help of giant radio dishes. Each message took nearly a day to arrive, and another day for our reply to return. The spacecraft's data revealed a denser plasma between stars than expected. Voyager's discoveries rewrote our understanding of the galaxy. The probe's ancient technology, less memory than a car key fob, kept working against all odds. Its power from decaying plutonium faded year by year. NASA engineers made tough choices, shutting down systems to save energy. Every signal was precious, every discovery a revelation. Voyager 1 became our eyes and ears in the great beyond. The spacecraft's endurance was a testament to its builder's ingenuity. Each year, the challenge to keep it alive grew. The team's dedication kept the whispering voice from the void alive. Voyager's data painted a picture of our galactic neighborhood. The probe's resilience inspired awe and respect. Its journey was a race against time and distance. The spacecraft's aging systems reminded us of the limits of technology, yet its voice persisted, carrying our questions into the darkness. Voyager 1's mission became a lesson in perseverance. Its faint signal is a bridge to the unknown, still whispering from the void. In 2024, Voyager 1 faced its greatest challenge yet. After surviving a major glitch, a new problem struck in October. A routine command triggered the spacecraft's safety system, which shut down non-essential systems, including its main radio transmitter. Suddenly, Voyager's voice went silent. The Deep Space Network listened, but heard nothing. Days passed in anxious silence. Our connection to the distant probe was gone. The team at NASA faced the terrifying possibility. This could be the end. Over 15 billion miles away, there was no way to repair it directly. All they could do was send commands into the darkness and hope. The silence was a stark reminder of the fragility of our link. Had Voyager's power finally failed? Had a vital part broken after 47 years? No one knew. The team had to imagine the state of a machine unseen for half a century. The October silence was a chilling lesson in the limits of exploration. It underscored how easily our connection could be lost forever. The world waited, hoping for a reply from the void. Voyager's silence was a reminder of the vast, unforgiving distance. Our most distant explorer was alone, and we could only listen. The engineers refused to give up. Voyager 1 had a backup the S-band transmitter, unused since 1981. It was never meant for science data, only basic engineering info. On October 22nd, the team sent a command. "Talk to us, use your backup radio." Nearly 2 days later, a faint signal was detected. The S-band transmitter had come to life after 43 years. The spacecraft was alive. Relief swept through the team. They had re-established contact. The signal was weak, carrying only basic health data, but it was enough. It confirmed the fault protection system had triggered, switching to backup as designed. The conversation was now more difficult, but not over. The team's persistence and ingenuity had paid off. They had revived a piece of 1970s technology across an interstellar gulf. The faint reply was both a triumph and a warning of how close we'd come to losing everything. Voyager's heartbeat, though weak, continued. The probe's resilience was astonishing. Each signal was a victory against time and distance. The backup system became our fragile lifeline. The team now faced the challenge of restoring full communication. Voyager's survival was a testament to human determination. The probe's faint reply was a reminder. The adventure was not yet over. Against all odds, Voyager 1 still whispered from the darkness. Re-establishing contact was a victory, but it underscored Voyager 1's fragility. The probe is old, its components battered by cosmic rays and cold. Each new signal is a small miracle. The October crisis showed how easily our connection can be lost. Voyager's own safety system, meant to protect it, nearly severed our link. Deep space exploration means trusting decades-old programming. Engineers now work carefully, each command a 2-day round trip. One wrong move could silence Voyager forever. The stakes are high, the end is near. After 2025, Voyager will lose power for its instruments. By 2036, its signal may be too weak to detect. Our conversation will end and Voyager will fall silent. The probe's final years are a graceful farewell. Its journey reminds us of the limits of technology and time. Voyager's silence will mark the end of an era. Our most distant emissary will drift on, alone. We will be left to wonder about its lonely voyage ahead. Voyager 1's last message won't be a great discovery, it's a message about ourselves. The fading signal is the sound of our own voice about to be lost to the void. Our machines like us cannot last forever. Voyager's silence will be a profound ending, a reminder of our own impermanence. For 47 years it has been our spark in the dark. When it goes silent, that spark will remain, unseen. The galaxy will feel a little emptier, a little lonelier. Voyager's end is like saying goodbye to a friend who can no longer call home. The true terror is not monsters from space, but the simple fact of an ending. Each faint signal is a long, slow farewell. Voyager reminds us of the beauty and heartbreak of finiteness. Its journey is a lesson in letting go. The spacecraft's silence will echo our own longing for connection. Voyager's final message is a quiet testament to our place in the cosmos. In the end, it teaches us the value of every fleeting moment. Soon, the final command will be sent, and Voyager 1's voice will fall silent. But its journey will continue, drifting through the Milky Way for millions of years. It will become a silent ghost ship, a relic of a species that reached for the stars. The golden record will be its eternal companion, humanity's most enduring legacy. It will outlast our cities, our monuments, perhaps even our species. The record is a bottle in the cosmic ocean, carrying the sounds and images of Earth. In 40,000 years, Voyager will pass near another star, but it will not stop. Perhaps someday a distant intelligence will find it. They may play the record and hear our music, our greetings, our story. Across time and space, our voice may be heard again. They will know that in this corner of the galaxy, there was once a world teeming with life. Voyager 1, silent for eons, will deliver its final message. It is our lonely, hopeful greeting to the stars. A beautiful echo of humanity, adrift in eternity. The probe's journey is a testament to our desire to be known. Voyager's legacy will endure, even after we are gone. Its golden record is our message in a bottle, cast into the infinite sea. And so, our story drifts on, waiting to be discovered.